What's up, world? Today.
Well, no, you look nervous, alright?
I'm nervous, man. Tell them to go and talk about I feel like this, I got time for load. What's up, world? Today I'm the most excited. Exciting is the word. Nervous at the same time. Human being on earth. Today I'm getting nearly married.
Yeah. Don't know, this is Leela Ike repping for Chaddy TV, and we said check him out for all of your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me? Yeah. Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
You know, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people, we are doing good. At the time of making this video, I'm at 901 subscriber. We are almost at the 1,000 mark. And you know, say after the 1,000 mark, we are going for the 5,000, and then we'll go for the 50,000, and then we'll go for the 100K. You know what I mean? So people, continue doing what you're doing because it's a work. Continue tell your friend, continue to tell your family, continue to tell everybody about Chaddy TV. But right now, I just want to take a time out to tell you no thanks, you know what I mean? But today, we are going to talk about Romain Virgo video proposal. The boss proposed to his girlfriend and turned it in a music video. And I know ladies watching this would have said, oh, that's so romantic, and a bag of things. Yes, it is romantic. And for all of you girls, people, remember, when your life young, you can't be better years forever. I joke me, I make, I know I say no better years that upon the Chaddy TV. You know what I mean? But we are going to review it right now and talk a little about the video, the proposal about Romain Virgo new album. Yes, people, him have a new album and we're going to talk about that as well. But right now, watch this small clip from our sponsors and people. Remember, check out the party. Me I go there live in living colors. Our in a double tree. Pray this.
W3 Wings Waffle Wine, October 14th in Port Antonio. Be there.
Baby, it's alright, just as long as you're near. Baby, it's okay, just as long as you say.
I want thing I know with Jamaicans. Them don't give the reggae artists them the strength them deserve. Them don't give the reggae artists them recognition with them deserve. Yo, Romain Virgo, a big international singer. And what? We don't recognize him. We don't recognize him because what? Him not sing nothing but no skin out, and him not go tell the people them say, yo, go shoot up the ends there or go lock that strap there. And Jamaica in a time like Wagwan right now in our society, we need more music like them, yeah. We need to highlight more music like them, yeah. You see me? Them nice, hear the dog voice sound, man. All if me have them the voice there, no man. Boy, girl, that get take away. But differently still, intro, bad and pint. Let me hear one more you have to say.
We're in this together, love me forever. Ain't no pulling out, just love me for life. Sickness or health, poverty or wealth, ain't no pulling out, just love me for life.
The man said, we're in this together. I love you forever. Ain't no pulling out. I love you for life. Romain Virgo think him slick when he talk about ain't no pulling out. Me don't know what I go on right there, so man. I pray for pop one in my belly. Nothing wrong still. Pitney for come a road. Good tune. Go on, my boss.
Say you'd be my wife, 'cause I would rather to be in this bed all alone than to give my love to someone who don't deserve it. Your love is safe and secure all the way. Just let me hear you say, we're in this together, love me forever.
So the girl he's about to marry, or I should say the girl he proposed to, Her name is Elizabeth. That's the only name I can find. People may search the internet, but it's like him a keep her as a secret. Not necessarily as a secret, because she commented on a post, on one of his posts, where he put on Instagram telling the whole Instagram say yo him gonna get married and whatever. But her page, him never tag her, but me search and find her actual page, and her page private, so me can't get in it for probably show no one picture of them apart from what's in the music video or what's public in the music video. You see me? But probably that's a good look, you know what I mean? Because no found no woman, you know, when you just want to say, hey, the life they good, me I go mash it up. Like when you mash up radar, the I up in our ear, if you mash up people life. So probably that's a good life to keep it private. I mean, my life kind of private said speed. But then again, him a go marry a girl, him a go propose to a girl. Me there can't even get a text back. We're in this together. Go on, Romain.
I would feel helpless and hopeless inside. Life would mean nothing if I didn't have you. So put your hand in mine and let's take this ride and watch our hearts collide. 'Cause we're in this together. Love me forever. Ain't no pulling out. Just love me for life.
So earlier on, I told you that the name of the song was Propose. No, it's not Propose. It's called In This Together. Sorry about that. And it's number 4 on Romain Virgo new album, Lovesick. The album is called Lovesick, you know what I mean? The album is out for about 2 months now. So you can go get it. Me I go put the link in the description below. So people support the album. If you don't have money to buy the whole album, you can just pick your favorite track on the album and just buy it. Buy In This Together. Buy the one here me I play now because I like it. It's a nice song, you know what I mean? It make me feel like someone sick long like dirty water. That sound a way still, me not lie, but I guess you understand what I mean, you know what I mean? Make me feel like me just want to find a girl and propose to and sing, we're in this
Together, love me forever. Ain't no pulling out. Just love me for life. Through sickness or health, poverty or wealth. Ain't no pulling out. Just love me for life.
And ladies, like how we up on the relationship topic, please don't make because of your friend them you can't get a good man. Don't make because of your friend them your friend them grudge you and see what you have and like what you have and want what you have and try mash up what you have. Know your friend them. Remember, if you're in a relationship and your friend single, you can't do what your single friend do while you in a relationship. That no works. So it end up the two of no single and looking at each other's face. People, girls, ladies, don't make on a friend mash up on a relationship, because a lot of these girls see them lifestyle here and want them. See them, see Sasko and his wife, see Romain Virgo and him new to be wife. You see me? And all of them other celebrity and them wife and say, yo, say me want them relationship there. Even see them friend and them man or woman or whatever the case may be and say, say me want a relationship there. But them don't willing to put in the work. Who no need to put in the work. And don't left your man because him give one little one. But you know what I mean? If a man do 10 things right and him go so booms and just give one little bun, yeah, go just figure out the whole of them 10 things the way him do right, the whole of them 10 things the way you love, and remember the one thing when him do bad. No man, you can't make because of one little bun a relationship get bun up. But people, tell me in the comment section what you think if a foolish me a talk, because enough people right now must have burned me out, the woman, they must have burned me out. Take it to the comment section and let me know what you think, you know what I mean? And people, here's the moment the whole I know wait for. See the touching part here, see the little lovey-dovey part here for the ladies them I wait for. Here is the proposal scene.
Say you'd be my wife.
people, that's the end of my review. You can go check out the full song. Me I go left the link in the description. And people, remember to check out Romain Virgo new album, Love Sick. And people, you can support the album. As well me say, you don't have to buy the entire album, but one song is for like 99 cents. Son of nothing. Spend 99 cents and support the music. People, you can follow me on IG at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And remember, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And me almost reached 1,000 subscribers, you know. Probably by uploading this video, I reached 1,000 subscribers. Me not really know still, but tell your friend, tell your mother, tell your father, tell your uncle, tell your sister, tell your cousin. If you subscribe to Chaddy Murray TV. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
Say you'd be my wife.